all, this is Reshma from CSE department.
And this is Vibali Maria. We are from Computer Science department and our project title is that currency note recognition for visually challenged people. The main motive of our project is to help the visually challenged people to make their payments easily in shopping malls, banks and all other situations. These help them to lead an independent life.
Our project is completely based on mobile application. At first, the currency image is captured through the camera and then it processes it and then it classifies it. After classifying what the image is, it then checks for accuracy. If the accuracy is equal to or greater than 98%, it produces the output. The output is in the form of audio. Now let's check the complete logic of our project. We implemented our project through Android Studio and the language which we used is Java programming language and XML programming language. All our pre-trained models are stored in the asset folder. These are some of our trained samples. We have captured all the images of the currency like 10 rupee, 20 rupee, 50, 100, 200, 500 and 2000. We have created a separate folders for each rupees and named according to which the rupees belong. These collected samples are trained using TensorFlow platform which automatically creates quantized and float models for our sample data. Now these models are compressed and placed in the asset folder. Let's move on to the logic. First, manifest.xml which get access from the device to use its camera by our application. Then in Java folder, first we are explaining the design of our application, that is how it should be to the user. Inside AutoFit texture view, the code is given to accept the aspect ratio of device which we use. That is, takes the width and height of the device in which our application is installed. In overlay view, it calls back the function which is necessary to start the action. In recognition score view, it shows at what accuracy it gives the output. This option has been displayed at the bottom of our application. In result view, the code given to produce the expected output in audio format. Next, in environment folder, all the environmental variables we are going to use in our application are declared here. In TF-Lite folder, it classifies the currency image. As said earlier, we have two types of models, quantized and float model. In quantized model, even a small image can also be processed. In float model, whatever the captured image size be, it can process it. In our application, we have implemented both. Why? Because some devices support quantized model and some others support float model. In cameraActivity.java, it focuses the complete activity of the camera. It first checks for the permission to access the back camera of our mobile and observes the currency image, and this image gets processed in classifierActivity.java. Here we also define the audio output files. In cameraConnectionFragment.java, there are two subfunctions, onCapturedProgress and onCapturedCompleted, inside which we have implemented three listeners: camera capture section, camera request and capture result. In classifierActivity.java, we classify the image by comparing it with pre-trained data sets. And in legacy camera connection fragment, the working of camera is coded here. That is, how to capture the currency note is defined in this program. When this complete Java folder gets executed, it automatically generates the Java generated folder. Then RES, it is the resource folder which consists the layout and design resource which we use for this application. It is implemented through XML program. Then Gradle is the folder which supports the complete Android application. Now this is the logic of our project. Now let's see how it works. Let me show you a demo on how our project works. Here I have 500 rupee note and 10 rupee note. Let's see how our application correctly finds the currency. Here is our application. Let's check.
10 rupees, 500 rupees, 10 rupees, 500 rupees.
So this is how our project works. The advantage of our project is it doesn't need any internet connection for running the application, and then it is more reliable.
Currency recognition is very much useful for visually challenged people to make their payments easily. Currency image can be recognized with greater accuracy of 98%. Future enhancement. In future, we can implement the fake note detection along with this currency recognition, which may help the visually impaired people to lead the independent life. Thank you.
Thank you all.